Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about bogo sort, sometimes called monkey sort, sometimes called shuffle sort. This is a continuation on the series of videos I've been doing on different sorting and searching algorithms. Bogo search is more of a random one. It's not known for being efficient, but it's known for being rather fun as an idea, and if you see the animations of large amounts of data being done, this is always a fun one to watch. So let's try and explain how it works first. We've got ourselves 4 cards, and it's very simple. They randomly get shuffled. So it will do a shuffle, so everything gets shuffled around, and then it'll say, is this right? This is not right. So now we're going to randomly shuffle them again. Is this right? This is right. And that's how it works. Bogo sorts just randomly shuffle something, or monkey sort, or shuffle sort. So let's write this. This is actually really easy to write. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import random, because, well, there's going to be some sorting. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to write ourselves a list. So there we go. We're going to call this toSort. Let's just give it 3 bits of data, because otherwise it will take years to see if it works. So there we go. And I put 2 commas in there. There is our list. So now let's write ourselves a function. We're going to call this function bogo sort, and we're going to pass in R, or short for array. And now this is where I'm going to do what I normally do, which is I'm going to code a bit, and then I'm going to explain it afterwards. So there we go. Now, or I'm going to code it, and then I'm going to explain what it actually does. So we can create ourselves another function called isSorted, and we're also going to pass in array to that as well. So what isSorted going to do, we're going to, well, check if our data sorted. So we're going to do for a range loop, and we're going to have this between 0, and we're going to have this between len of our array -1. There we go, and then we're just going to do a quick if statement. So if array and then square brackets I is greater than array square brackets I plus 1, we're going to return false, otherwise we're going to return true. So let's quickly explain what isSorted does. We need to check if our thing's in the right way. So we're going to search through our whole array. So our first item of our array is always item number 0, and our last item here would be 2. But len returns the amount of something. So there's 3 items, the last one being 2, the first one being 0. And if it's, well, not sorted, we want to return false. So we keep searching through it, or trying to sort it. And if it is sorted, we'll return true, so we stop shuffling it. So that's the hard part done. Like I said, this is a really easy system to write. So now what we're going to do is now not isSorted array, and then we're going to just random dot shuffle. And then we're going to randomly dot shuffle our array, and then at the end of that we're going to return array. Let's save this, and now let's try run it. So let's go print brackets. There we go, bong sort. And then we want to give it the name of our list, so that's toSort. We're going to save this, we're going to run this, and as you can see it has sorted it for us. So now for the quick summary. We import random. Random will do our random.shuffle. You may have seen me use random for other things. We're then going to create ourselves a list of data. We're then defining our function called bongsort. We're then going to check if it's sorted. To check if it's sorted, we need our array again. We need to find out our length of our array, and then we need to loop through this. We're then checking if our current item is bigger than our next item, because if our current item is bigger than our next item, it's not sorted. If that comes back not sorted, it will be false. If it's false, we're going to random.shuffle it. However, if it returns true, it will skip this line and just return our new array. So that is how bong sort works. That didn't take long at all. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking, subscribing, and I hope I will see you in the next video. See you!